How to perform chi-square test of independence in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So here I have taken this dummy data, simply select it. Now go to insert. After that, go to function. The chi-square test is under statistical. So go to statistical and then here you will see chi test. Simply press on it and then hit enter. Make sure you enter the correct arguments before hitting enter and your result will be out. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.